This Gloss Enhancer upgrade kit has been designed to be used with an HP DesignJet Z9 Plus printer series. The Gloss Enhancer upgrade kit contains a USB dongle, a setup printhead, a new printhead, and a Gloss Enhancer cartridge. If you perform this upgrade when you initialize your printer, you will need only the USB dongle and the Gloss Enhancer cartridge. You can discard the setup printhead and keep the printhead provided in this kit in a safe place to use in the future. This is a universal printhead that can be used for any color. You can also install the Gloss Enhancer upgrade kit once the printer is already assembled and initialized. Ensure that the printer is turned on and idle. Ensure that the gray cartridge has enough ink to complete the process. 5% or more for 300 ml ink cartridges. Insert the USB dongle into the USB port on the upper side of the front panel, marked with the USB symbol. When prompted by the front panel, open the right cartridge cover and remove the cartridge slot protector from the last slot, marked with E. Insert the Gloss Enhancer cartridge provided in this kit, then close the cartridge cover. When prompted by the front panel, open the printer window, then open the printhead cover. Remove and discard the printhead as indicated by the front panel. Insert the setup printhead, provided in this kit, into the vacant slot. Close the printhead cover and the printer window, then follow the instructions on the front panel. When the ink system is ready, the front panel prompts you to open the window and printhead cover. Confirm that the setup printhead contains ink. Remove the setup printhead. Insert the universal printhead provided in this kit. Close the printhead cover and the window. The printer proceeds to calibrate and align the printheads.